started this a couple years back, and now it's going all over the world, just representing Canada. And man, we just want to say, if you're here, you know, any kids out here, they want to do music, you have a dream, you're working on school, you know what I'm saying, you're fighting with your parents, we just want to say, man, you don't want to give up. That's the last thing you want to do, for real. You know, you can do it too, man. We're from the city, we're out there living the dream, and we just want to give you guys music tonight, inspire you guys, and never give up. Let's get it.